Hello, I'm Gary from Hangzhou Starland Construction Machinery Company. We manufacture and supply and specialize in diamond cutting tools for concrete, like diamond core drill, drill stand, floor grinder, floor scraper, and accessories. With superior quality, we provide efficient, stable, and reliable construction solutions for global customers. Now, let me take you on a tour of our factory. Let's go. We have three main production areas. There's floor grinder, there's drill stand, and diamond core drill. We offer highly flexible OEM and ODM customization service. Our factory is located in Hangzhou, China. We sincerely invite you to visit and explore new opportunities for cooperation.